Okay guys, so here is our solution for our previous question. As long as the number is big with a negative followed by a small positive number, the answer will be negative 3. So here it means minus 6x plus 3x is nothing but negative 3x. Okay, let us take a look more into these numbers. If we are having 7x here minus 6x, what do we get? 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. So assume we added an x there. It means our answer should remain in algebra, so we get only x. Well, these are algebraic terms representing numerical values. If you are having 25x minus 9x, it means our answer should be 16x. Because we are having a positive big number. Same goes here, the positive number is bigger than the negative number, so our answer will be positive. For example, also, you're having a number, minus 7, minus operator, minus 1. Obviously, we always say the negative, they multiply each other, which gives you 7 plus 1. And now the negative number is bigger, so our answer is negative 6. Same goes, we can say negative 80x minus x. It means your answer is nothing but minus 7x. The solution here, we are saying minus 80x plus x here. That's why we get this, because we multiply these two. So now, I want you to find minus y. Minus 2y. Find this solution.